Well, they got a cop on the street right now.
Out here?
Yeah.
Because if we do, we got to get computers. We got to get.
I think no. We're not getting back. He's never come up this high.
Yeah.
But I think he's working on those guys with that dock right there. These docks are going to start cutting loose.
Yeah. That one's over the deck. They're all over the deck. Boats still hanging in their barrel. It's rose over in the last 2 minutes. It's rose from being below his deck on that one.
Yeah.
To being above the deck.
Oh man.
So don't think it's going to be able to. Any of these are going to be able to withstand this type of water.
We'll find out. There's one guy that does most of these docks.
Yeah.
He piles them into the bottom of the river. That one's holding up.
Well, yeah. I mean, they're not. They're made to withstand water.
Man, now that's got a lot of force on it with that pontoon boat turned sideways under it.
Once things start bumping in